Welcome back to digital class, and now we are looking at this question. Here says that 4 sheets C, D, E, F made of different materials are arranged in a straight line in a dark room. So as shown below, sheet D has a metal piece pasted on it. So you can see there's a special metal piece that is actually pasted here. Okay, and again, this is a lighted torch, means that the torch have lights coming up. Now, when the torch is switched on, a dark shadows form on sheet E. So you can see that there's a shadows forming here. Okay, this is a shadow. Now, based on the observation stated, find that whether that statement is true, false, or not possible to tell. So, number one, sheets C and D allow light to pass through. Now, as you can see, there's a shadow form here. That's why the light actually able to pass through C, able to pass through D, or else the shadow can't form here. That's why it's true that C and D allow light to pass through. Number two, sorry. If the metal piece is pasted on E instead of D, now this metal piece now is here, right? If now we switch it to D, here say that a shadow will be formed on sheet F. Okay, so is it true or is it false? The answer will be false. Huh? Why would it be false? That's because first you should understand that when shadow is able to form on this E, this basically material is opaque. Okay? Means that if I paste the metal piece here, it actually does not allow light to pass through, then shadow cannot be formed here. So basically that's the idea, okay? So again, I repeat, if I paste this metal piece here, then this is, if my light is like this, shine through here. If this item, if it's a transparent one, which allows light to pass through, then shadows will be formed. But if this one is opaque, in that case, then these shadows will not be formed. Why? Because light cannot pass through everything. Okay, so there's no shadow able to form here. Or perhaps I should say that everything here will be dark. There's no shadow of the metal piece will be on there. Okay, so that's basically the whole idea for this part A. Now let's move on to part B. Part B here say that a shopkeeper uses the setup shown below to count the number of customers entering the shop. So there's a light source, there's a light sensor. It means that this one will make light, ching, then it's a light sensor that will detect light. So when a person pass by, means that I block the light. Then when the light sensor sense that there's no light, means that there's a person that passed by. Is it correct? Again, the light is just going on. If I pass through it, I block the light, then the light sensor cannot sense the light, means that someone is passing through. So this data collected over a period of 10 minutes. So you can see this is basically the graph, how the graph looks like. Up, down, up, down, up, down, because hey, there might be someone pass through, someone does pass through. So now state one property of light. What is the property of light? So there's two properties of light that you can mention. First is light travels in a straight line. Or second, you can say light can be blocked. So I will say the light can be blocked. Okay, light can be blocked. Of course, if you like, you can say light travels in a straight line. Okay, so now see number two. The setup only detect one person entering the shop at a time. So based on the graph now, how many customers enter the shop during the 10 minutes? So basically, again, this graph shows 10 minutes. Now we need to find how many person actually enter. Again, the case here is when there's no light, means that the person pass by, means that they enter. Okay, so you can see here is no light. How many times no light? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times that there's a short moment there's no light. Means what? Means someone passed through it. So how many person? 7 customer. Okay, let me just write 7 customer. Okay, so basically that's all for this whole question. Okay, so I believe that you learned something from this video. So thank you. See you. Bye bye.